Hi, this is Kayye. We're here at InfoComm 2018. We are literally standing in the winner of the 2018 Reader's Choice Award of the favorite collaboration conferencing manufacturer, Zoom. How are you?
Good. How are you, Gary?
I'm here with Cynthia Lee. Cynthia, tell us a little bit about, for those that are watching that don't know Zoom. I mean, you came out of nowhere almost. Tell them who Zoom is.
Zoom is a video leader in the video communications industry. We make video communications that works across your mobile, desktop, conference rooms. At this show, we are specifically really showcasing the Zoom Room solution, which is our software-based conference room solution. It runs on any kind of hardware, and it is really flexible, allows you to deploy the same software in huddle rooms all the way up to training rooms, and yeah, that's what we do.
Yeah, so we're going to actually take you on a tour so that you get an idea, because Zoom has really leveraged the soft codec world and the cloud codec world. So we're going to take you on a tour because they have all the layers represented here, although you built an actual Zoom room on the show floor, which will be cool for everyone to see. Right. So what's the first thing I see here? What am I looking at here?
This one is, so one of the things we're actually announcing at this InfoComm is our partner program, and we are working with integrators as well as specific hardware vendors to kind of further make that software-based solution and experience even better. So if you look at this device here, this is a Polycom Trio. It is a touch screen that has the speaker and microphone all built into one, and it has excellent audio, and we also have the Zoom Room controller. This is the controller that controls our Zoom Room integrated into that same device. So
you don't have to add a separate controller, it's all integrated, it's a basically touch and launch experience.
Exactly, that's exactly it.
Okay, and over here, you're showing sort of the same thing with, this looks like a Crestron Mercury, is that what that is?
Yes, this is a Crestron Mercury, same idea, and this is a solution that we've had on the market for quite a few months. It is the Crestron Mercury. It has the audio video all built into one. It has the touchscreen controller on that as well, and you can use it in a Zoom room, and it's just super simple to deploy. It has excellent audio.
Yeah, and in this case you're using, I think that's a Hudley camera, is that right?
Yeah.
But you're camera agnostic, you don't really care what they use. Right?
Exactly. We do have, with our new hardware partner program, we will have verified and certified partners where there are ones that we have tested and we work well with them, and there'll be ones that we're doing more interesting things with.
Okay, that's good to know. So that's going to be something new that you've kind of told us about there. If we go over to this side, it looks like you're showing some annotation capabilities here. Is that what you're showing?
Yeah, this is our Zoom Rooms for a Touch solution, and it is runs on Windows. It is same software based. You can draw on it, whiteboarding. Super easy to use, very responsive, have the video conferencing going at the same time. What's really cool about this device, we've partnered with Display 10, which is a touchscreen manufacturer, and this is an all-in-one device. It's a touchscreen with the camera and speaker microphone array that's all built into one device. So this has, I think, 16 microphones, and we will do really interesting things with it because we're software based. We can actually take each independent audio input, and we can do our software audio processing in the cloud and be able to do speaker tracking and beamforming and a lot of really interesting things on the audio.
Who makes this?
This is Display 10.
Display 10, okay. And then let's make our way over here. This looks familiar. This is you're showing it integrated with the AVR system.
Yeah, this is a AVR camera. It has the camera, speaker, microphone all built into one, mounted on top of a TV. And on this side, if we come over to the control panel, this is a Crestron touch panel. And what's cool about this one is we have an integration where if you click on the home button, it can actually switch between the Crestron interface and the Zoom Rooms interface, so you can have one panel and it does all the things that you can do with your Crestron as well as the Zoom Room.
So it could still be a Crestron control system, but switch over to the Zoom software just by pressing the home button.
Exactly.
And then back here you've got shown on is that an 84 or 90-inch monitor?
This is a 90-inch AVACore touchscreen. It's running our Zoom Room for Touch with the Logitech camera on it. and this is, I think, their brand new system. It has this really good horsepower. It's really, really great performance.
And that's part of the Avicor. You know, everyone knows Avicor in the commercial AV industry for their collaboration board technology. Now I want to take you into the actual Zoom room.
Yeah.
On the outside of the room, they're showing a room booking system that's part of this. It's built into the Zoom application. And then also as we go into the room, you've got two different applications set up. One a single screen and a two screen. So why don't you head on inside there?
Yeah. And the great thing about being software based, again, we just saw the scheduling display. That's all included in the same kind of Zoom room software. And in the room you can see that's the Logitech Rally camera. On the other side you see a Logitech Meetup. Again, we're camera agnostic. We work with all kinds of different hardware vendors, camera, speaker, microphone. And also on the ceiling, you can see that's a Shure ceiling microphone. Allows you to go cable-free in your conference room. So if you want to have that really cool all-hands kind of hands-free kind of experience, you can have that as well.
So basically, this booth is focused on showing the partners, the partner relationships, as well as showing the applications that you can do, not just for Zoom rooms, but also Zoom anywhere. I mean, not just in a room.
Yeah, exactly. Not just in a small room, large room, but any kind of room you can deploy it everywhere.
And everything you're showing here is all shipping. Even the Avicor board is fairly new. It's getting ready to ship, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Yep.
And to get more information, go to zoom.us. And of course, we're going to go around and shoot individual product videos here now.
One more thing I want to show on the back side.
Oh, excellent. Another surprise here. Let's go. Let's check it out. We're going to the very back of the booth here. You guys have done a great job utilizing this small amount of space that they gave you. You packed it in here.
This is our Zoom Rooms digital signage, and this is also included in the Zoom Room solution. You might have saw earlier that we have this digital signage running on Zoom Rooms. So if you're not in a meeting, you can use that screen real estate to play content that's relevant. Also, if you have hallways or lobbies where you want to play digital signage, you can use that as well, and it's kind of included in the solution. It doesn't require additional licensing, and that's, again, part of the whole software based and having multifunctional. That's really the idea on Zoom Rooms.
Yeah, and what's interesting about the digital signage software, we'll move over here a little bit, about the digital signage software is that it is included. Like all of a sudden you did a software update and any device that's running Zoom can then be turned into a digital signage display with a real simple content production, content creation application along with it.
Yeah, exactly. And the same kind of if you manage your Zoom rooms in different locations, you can have San Jose or Vegas all playing different content, and so that way it makes it so easy to manage all of your content. Yeah. And
we've been talking to Cynthia Lee. Of course, if you want to find out more information, go to zoom.us. Type in Zoom in the video search window at ravepubs.com/InfoComm2018, which is where everything we're doing at InfoComm is held. Thanks for watching, and we got a lot more to do.